How to hide and protect tabs in Google Sheets. Here are the steps on how to hide and protect tabs in Google Sheets. 1. Open the Google Sheets file that you want to hide and protect tabs. 2. Click on the tab that you want to hide. 3. Click on the More button, 3 dots, that appears at the right side of the tab. 4. Select Hide Sheet. The tab will now be hidden from view. Only users with editing permissions will be able to unhide it. To protect a tab, follow these steps. 1. Open the Google Sheets file that you want to protect tabs. 2. Click on the Data tab. 3. Click on Protect Sheets and Ranges. 4. In the Protect Sheets and Ranges dialog box, click on the Sheet tab. 5. Select the sheet that you want to protect. 6. If you want to allow users to edit certain cells in the protected sheet, uncheck the Accept Certain Cells checkbox. 7. Click on the Set Permissions button. 8. In the Set Permissions dialog box, select the users or groups that you want to give editing permissions to. 9. Click on the OK button. The selected sheet will now be protected. Only users with editing permissions will be able to edit the sheet. Note ***, you can hide and protect multiple tabs at the same time. To do this, hold down the Control key while you click on the tabs that you want to hide or protect. **, if you hide a sheet, it will still be counted towards the total number of sheets in the spreadsheet. **, if you protect a sheet, users will not be able to edit any cells in the sheet, even if they have editing permissions for the spreadsheet.